Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage the ringtone volume control on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to System Manager mode on the website and enter our Remote UI access pin. Here we need to click on login. If you forgot your pin, then you guys can set it up again in the printer. Let's go over and click settings and registration here. And then in the preferences section, we will have the sound volume control right here. You guys won't find it in the printer in the preferences settings. It ends at accessibility. And here in the sound volume control, let's click on edit. And here we will have our ringtone. So now what we can do with it is we can either disable it completely and then we won't be able to change the volume because it will be disabled, or we can enable it and keep the volume at either 1, which is the lowest, or 3, which is the most you guys can do on it. So I'll turn it off for an example, and here I'll just click OK. And as you guys can see, now it's off. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.